Hi friends, video making has become an expensive affair nowadays. I have been making videos using KineMaster app, but they have recently stopped all free versions and now only paid versions are available. Which means I have to pay a monthly premium in such a way too, in addition to other expenditure all. So I am forced to begin paid subscribers and paid subscribers channel. So I have begun SGK subscribers channel, paid subscribers channel. Their exclusive videos will be available only for paid subscribers. There I will explain phonetic symbols, vowels, consonants and diphthongs and all those things. Whoever is interested can watch them. And whoever is able to afford the payment, a small amount of just 140 rupees per month, I request you all to subscribe SGK subscribers channel and cooperate with me and support me. More than that, you can ask me doubts regarding, of course, English language and literature, and I will clarify them. And once in a while, I will come on live, especially on Sunday mornings. Expecting your cooperation in future too. Thank you.